Detail world, what it do, man? We just finished this Honda CR-V, man. Like I said, it was just a little basic exterior, interior cleaning. Didn't really take much time to do it. Like I said, we already done. Finna head to this next stop. Next stop, I think they got a Porsche and a Range Rover for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that, knock that out. Then after that, we just got one more stop, which was a Lexus. Like I said, I didn't make up too much of a busy day today. I know I was gonna have my kids, and I don't like lugging my kids around all day in this work van. So it's a little short day. I'm gonna be busy tomorrow. It's Monday, Sunday, so I'm just getting the schedule ready for next week, things of that nature. So as the day progresses, I will continue to text people, see if they need my services as of next week. And like always, man, that's kind of basically what I do. I'm trying to get it automated, have a more automated way of sending it out all itself, but you know, that's the process that I'm trying to work on. But like always, man, we take pride in what we do here at Your Way Mobile State. Yeah, we take pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care. You know, we like to keep the customer satisfied with us. We like to keep the car clean. But like I said, we just finished it, and about to head to the next stop, probably about a 10-15 minute drive. And like always, man, just hit that subscribe button, hit them likes, hit them shares, and I'll catch you at the next stop. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man? We done made it to this next stop. We're about to do this Porsche Cayenne GT. Love this car, man. I swear, when you start it up, it just sounds like a tiger just about to hop out behind it. But other than that, man, like I say, I'm gonna go ahead and do a wax on the exterior. But the interior is always pretty clean. Like I say, always, you already know what I'm gonna say, your typical debris. Your sticks, your twigs, you know, bottle caps, stocks, you know, chips, debris, things like that, especially when you got kids, you know what I mean? The kids are always gonna keep the car dirty, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it knocked out. Like I said, you already see it. And got dirt everywhere, under the seats, things like that. So we're gonna get under there, make sure we get under there real good. You know, the mats, make sure we get all that nice and clean. No cup holders, things of that nature. You know what I mean? Screens, like all that, man. But we're gonna go ahead and knock it out, man. Go ahead and get it cracking. You know what I mean? Like I say, look at the wheel wells, and the wheels are dirty. So we're gonna go down here and get this all nice and clean. You know what I mean? So the wheel well, all that. But yeah, we here. We in Green Hills, Tennessee. Like I said, it's about 15 minutes from where we originally at. So we got two cars here. Gonna do this Porsche, gonna do a Range Rover, and then we got one more stop for the day and we done, man. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out, do what we do best. Hope you enjoy the content. So we're gonna continue to pump it out till you do what we do, you know what I mean? Your Way Mobile Car Care ain't going nowhere. We here to stay. But go ahead, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit them likes, man. Leave a comment. Man, turn on the notification. Tell me what you think. And I'm always willing to reply back. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, man. We just finished this Porsche Cayenne Turbo, man. Just finished the whole thing, exterior, interior cleaning. Like I think I showed you what it looked like in the interior. But yeah, we completely cleaned it, man. Inside done, you know what I mean? We got it going. So we vacuumed it, did the interior, exterior. We just did the wheels, did the windows, everything like that. So I'm about to go ahead and park it, get ready to pull out the next car, everything like that. But yeah, the car came out swell, things like that. But like always, man, do what you gotta do, because we gonna do what we gotta do. But yeah, man, I just want y'all to hear what that car sound like, man. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this next car and I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man? We on this third vehicle right here. So weird, I'm just on the third vehicle. Anyway, we on the third vehicle today. We doing this Range Rover Supercharged Sport, all black, got them black rims, you know, black paint. You know, don't even have the different color accents on it. You know, most of these cars, they usually have like two different colors on here, but I see he went with the whole black color, the whole black package, you know, midnight. But it looked good. I just finished the interior of the car, like I said. When I'm in a position like this, sometimes I kind of forget to give shots prior to me cleaning it. So the interior wasn't that dirty, but I already knocked it out. I don't even know if I showed y'all. I probably showed y'all, man. Like I said, I've been kind of slipping with this camera. I'm like starting to get delusional, like literally thinking I'm already shot someone. I ain't shot it. But anyway, car came out fine. like I said, I've been asking people what are these green things in these Range Rover carpets. But I guess these are some type of clips to keep the carpet down or something. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if you can pull them out or keep them in, you know, because like I said, as long as I've been doing Range Rover, I always noticed those was in the carpet. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and start on these wheels, get this running board, get all the dirt grind from the side of the vehicle. After that, dry it off windows, park it. My next stop is literally like 30 minutes from here, probably 40 minutes from here. So yeah, I'll be tracking to get that, and that's my last appointment for the day. Go home, edit the video from yesterday, probably do a little editing on this one. And then tomorrow I got 3 vehicles tomorrow, 2 insides of a semi truck, and then 1 vehicle, then I'm done. Then I'm gonna take these kids shoe shopping because they can have some new shoes for school. But other than that, man, like I said, I'm about to knock out this Range Rover, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. YouTube Detail World, what it do, man? We just finished this Land Rover Supercharger. Land Rover Range Rover Supercharger. Like I said, it was just a basic exterior, interior cleaning. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, you see how the difference on what this car look like when it's clean. That black on black on black on black look real nice, but when it's dirty, it got that real ashy look. And you know, black cars not clean is terrible, but when they clean, they the best looking cars on the street. Like I said, we just finished here. We did that Porsche Cayenne here. We did this Range Rover here. Like I said, I got one more stop about 30 minutes from here, so we about to go ahead, load up the van, get out of here, and I'll catch y'all at the next stop. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man? We done made it to this last stop. About to do this Lexus, this SUV. Yeah, man, I already did the interior. Like I said, man, kind of moving at a pace because I'm extremely tired, man. Last 2 days, wouldn't get no sleep. One of my friends came in town last night, so I stopped by to go holler at him, left, you know, so I didn't get home till probably about 1, finished editing that video vlog of a detailer 101. And I didn't finish putting that up till like 2 o'clock in the morning. Didn't get to bed till about 3:30. So yeah, man, I'm a little tired. There's 2 days in a row that I ain't getting to bed till 3:30. You can actually hear it in my voice, the grogginess. But man, go ahead and finish this one up. I gotta do the exterior of the car. But the interior of the car came out swell, man. Cleaned up everything, man. Got it all together, man. Seats, all that, man. So wipe down consoles, cup holders. So yeah, man, but other than that, man, everything good. We're gonna go ahead and get on this exterior over here, man. And like always, man, you do what you gotta do, because I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on them notifications, man. I'm tired of saying it, but we're gonna say it again and 1,000 more times. Hit them likes, leave a share. Leave a comment, share it. However, I'm sleepy, excuse me. Peace. YouTube Detail World, what it do, man? We just finished this Lexus right here, man. Like I said, it was just your basic, man, nothing too crazy, just a basic in and out. So I already knocked it out. Like I said, we already showed you the interior. Look at the exterior, wheels shining, car shining. Tomorrow's Easter. Everybody trying to get their cars nice for the holidays. Some people got people coming to town, so ain't nothing like having a nice clean car for the holidays, man. But anyway, I'm done for the day. Today was a glorious day. I'm always happy about the success I got. Staying booked, just actually picked up a new customer down the street. He said he booked something with me. So like always, man, just stay dedicated to what you're gonna do. Stay consistent, stay persistent, stay relentless. And like always, man, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, hit the likes, leave a share, leave a comment, and I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. Peace.